Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we're going to be making an awesome Play-Doh Peppa Pig. Doesn't she look cool? All you're going to need for this is red Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh and black Play-Doh. First we're going to take our pink Play-Doh. You want to set some aside, and then we're going to take the rest of it to make Peppa's head. It needs to be shaped kind of like a teardrop. So remove any excess Play-Doh so that you're happy with the shape. Now at the top we're going to flatten Peppa's nose. Keep smoothing until you're happy with how Peppa looks. Set that aside, and now we're going to take some white Play-Doh. We only want a tiny bit, because this is going to be Peppa's eyes. And on the white, we're going to put an even smaller bit of black. Pop it right in the middle. See? We're also going to put 2 dots at the end of Peppa's snout. Take a tiny bit of red Play-Doh and make Peppa's mouth. We're also going to put 2 dots of red Play-Doh on her cheeks, just to make them look rosy. Now we need to take some of our pink Play-Doh that we set aside. We're going to make Peppa's ears out of this. Stick them on top of her head. Gosh, she's looking good, isn't she? Don't forget to make 2 ears. And there's Peppa's head. Now we're going to make her body. We want to do this out of the red Play-Doh. Roll it into a cone shape. And then set Peppa's head on top. Make sure that Peppa's head isn't too big for the body. She's looking good. Now we want to take some more of the pink Play-Doh because we have to make Peppa's arms. Roll them into a spaghetti shape, and then we're going to add a ball at the end to make Peppa's hands. Don't forget to add the finger detail. We want to do this twice. Make sure that Peppa's arms are the same length. Nearly there. Looking good. Now we need to make Peppa's legs. We're going to do this by using the pink Play-Doh to make 2 spaghetti shapes. We also need to take some black Play-Doh and make Peppa's shoes. Put the Play-Doh up around her ankle. It'll look like she's wearing her shoes. Look at that, 2 legs. Then we just need to sit Peppa on top. Don't forget to put her arms on. And there we have it. Peppa Pig is done. Doesn't she look sweet? A Play-Doh Peppa Pig. Awesome. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel above, and we'll see you again really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye! Hello everyone, and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Play-Doh Easter egg. So for this you're going to need a ruler, some pink Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, and blue Play-Doh. I'm taking my purple Play-Doh and rolling it into an egg shape. Remember, you can use any different colour that you like though. Now I'm taking my blue Play-Doh and rolling it into a long spaghetti. Then I'm pressing it down. I'm doing the same thing with some of my pink Play-Doh. Now I'm getting my ruler. I want to make sure that my edges are super straight. And do the same thing with the blue. This is part of the decoration for the egg, so we're going to wrap it around the middle. Get rid of any excess. Like I said, the sky's the limit. You can get creative here. Now we're going to make the bow. Make a teardrop shape out of the blue and the pink. We're going to make a tail using the pink and the blue as well. Now it's time to attach those bits to the bow. And finally, attach the bow to the egg. How pretty does that look? An Easter egg out of Play-Doh. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed the video, please do let us know in the comment box below because we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again very soon. Today, I am going to show you how to make some really awesome Baba Black Sheep Play-Doh. Doesn't he look really cute? Look at him sitting there. So, let's get started. All you're going to need for this is a rolling pin, black Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, a Play-Doh knife, and some googly eyes. So the first thing we want to do is to roll out our white Play-Doh. We're now going to cut out his legs. Like so. Put them to one side. And using a bit more of the white Play-Doh, we're going to cut out his head. Smooth down the edges with your fingers. And the last thing we're going to do is to make some ears with the white Play-Doh. Perfect. Now, let's grab the black. We're going to roll that out a little bit, but not too much because we want the body to have some bulk. And then using the Play-Doh knife, we're going to go around the edges. Now, I'm purposely not making this too perfect because I want it to be a little bit furry, like a normal sheep would be. There you go. Now I need to add his two legs, add his head, and finally, two goggly eyes. And there you have it, Bar Black Sheep Play-Doh. Doesn't he look great? So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone.